Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is the Oral-B Pro 1000. I like this toothbrush because not only did I want an efficient electric toothbrush, I also needed something that was compact for a very small bathroom. I needed a toothbrush that I didn't have to have a homing station in the bathroom because I have a bathroom with 0 outlets. So here you can see how small the charging cord is. And so I can charge it in my room, and then once it's done charging, it holds it for a long time. I can then take my toothbrush to the bathroom, and as you can see, it's going to take excellent care of your teeth. It is a circular motion toothbrush with amazing bristles. It has an interchangeable head, so when you need to replace them, all you have to do is buy a couple new heads. I personally enjoy the silk black color. This Oral-B is going to get the job done. It doesn't overcomplicate things, it doesn't have extra gadgets, it goes on, it goes off, it buzzes when it's time to move on to your next set of teeth. It's very compact, it's going to fit in any size that you need, and it's going to get your teeth super clean. And that's my point of view.